Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to send money on Chime to non-Chime users. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Chime application and click on the pay option on the bottom middle side. After that, here you should enter the amount of money, then click on pay. Then now you'll have to search by name, by phone number, and after that, select the one that you want to send money to. You can even search by email. So select the email that you want. Then tell him what is this payment for. You can put anything right here, then click on continue. Then this is a small review. You just have to review the amount and the one that you want to send money to and where is it from. Then click on pay right here. You can double check the person email and phone number or the name. And this is our current balance right here on the right side on the bottom. It will send them an email so that he can verify and take the money successfully. A quick note as well, the other person again doesn't need to have a form of debit card to be able to have that money pulled over to them. After some time, if they do not claim that money, the money will come back to you. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video. Goodbye.